Greetings everyone. This video will focus on the material warehouse, but since the topic is very large, it will consist of several parts. First part, the introduction. First of all, warehouse is our main material for objects. It is used by almost all models, from skyscrapers to trash bins. In this video, we will create a simple object, box. Assign to this box material, add the minimum set of textures, set up everything, and check the result in the engine. In the following parts of tutorial, we will look at every aspect of this material more closely. Let's create a box. Put it in a 0 coordinates. Box is about 10 meters width, length and height. Now save the scene. This is important. In the next tutorial, you will understand why. Source, Models Library, Warehouse Intro, and name it Box Intro. Done. Now convert box to editable poly. Select all faces and assign to them material ID 1, because they are all different in standard primitives. Now we need to assign material to this geometry. Open Material Editor. Press M button. Assign material to object. Open Maps. In diffuse color, create composite material. Now we need to add 3 layers to total of 4. First layer, surface color. Second layer, fabric. Third layer, decal. Fourth layer, ambient occlusion. Now we need to assign maps. First layer, unique texture for current object. Here are the maps I've created for the tutorial. This is the color map. Assign it. Check in map channel. It should be map channel 1. To the second layer, assign map from the fabric library. Let's choose not very complicated map. Something like concrete would be good. Check in map channel. It should be map channel 2. The third layer is a decal. This is also a map from the fabric library. Let's assign the texture of rust. Assign third map channel. The fourth map is a unique map for this object, ambient occlusion. Since the map is unique, it is located next to the source file of an object. Here is the ambient occlusion map. Assign the map channel 4. Now we need to assign the self-illumination texture. It's same as in 3D Max. Assign the map channel 5. Now we need to assign texture coordinates to the geometry. There is only one set of texture coordinates and we need 5. Use an wrap modifier to do it. Copy the first channel on the second, as it is not important what we have there for now. We just need the map channel. Repeat for the remaining channels. Collapse all. Here we can see that we have 5 map channels. Now show maps in viewports. We don't need material editor anymore. Close it. Here is our box with test maps. Now set up everything we need to see it in our engine. Open our plugin ED Terrain Max 4. Now we need to choose the configuration file of the project to tell our plugin where to get the data for our engine. Choose Config, next Add Config. Open our project, not the source files, but terrain, and choose Object Samples.cfg file. Choose Edit Config. Open User Definitions and choose an edit material from the list. Press Set button. Now, if we select our object, we can see the parameter assigned to it. We can also check it through the Object Properties, User Defined. Once again, verify that we choose the correct project's config file and run Engine Preview. Here is our engine viewer, and here is our test box. As we can see, the details on the surface, it's our fabric, normal map, specular map. That for colors is surface color map. Color blends with fabric map, so we can paint fabrics as we want. AO intro is our ambient occlusion map. That rust is our decal texture. The distribution of the decal on the surface we control by the mask. About decal we will talk in other tutorial. If we turn on the night, we can see the self-illumination map. Finally, a few words about the Debug Rendering. By pressing F4, we will turn on Debug Rendering. Here we can see the shading component mode. If we press F4 one more time, we'll turn on Warehouse Components mode. Here we can see different elements of render. In the left menu, you can select the component. For example, here we can see only surface color. That's fabric. And that is fabric plus surface color. Here is decal. This mode is convenient to track errors. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.